Yeah, viewers all over the world, as you already know my name, Ogbuefi Ezeana ugochitubelu Oraifite. I'm an ancient high priest. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na ugochitubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi rụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazị m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or ọdịnala evangelist, I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke eziokwu isiokwu anyị ji wee bịa bụ why you should not destroy your family altar. Why you should not destroy your family altar. I'm here to tell you now why some of you are suffering today is because you destroy your family altar. Why some of you are not progressing because you open another war front for yourself. Why you are not succeeding is because some of you is the architect of your problems by making more enemies. You are making more spiritual enemies by destroying family altars. You started what you cannot finish, and you think you can defeat more. Here and there behind and can solution. But before we dive into today's lecture proper, important announcement. If you're a child of the temple, Marona annual festival in this year, September 15th. After I know you're a child of the temple will participate in here. Me no Budo Ibo me no Nigeria. Me I be mom ne I be. Iga support Jabo Festival. It will see me annually. Chat him na WhatsApp. I'm going to was a email. Ke boabo HFuna. Now, monthly ritual is still ongoing. In August, you can still join us anytime, anywhere you are. Distance is never a barrier. This is to go to the temple, go for Kubi in this way all over the world. The friends of the temple, children of the temple, members of Eze-Ana, the Restoration Evangelical Mission and Consecrated Group. I am a intellectual. I carried 4 years now. We have massive testimonies. But as you all know, we don't share testimonies on social media. So I'm going to show this way, the chat them na WhatsApp, forward your 3 prayer requests, then make token donation to the account number. Chat them na WhatsApp, I'm going to get other things we did for you in order to book you. My WhatsApp number remains 0805 7837672 on the screen. Now let's proceed. Why should not destroy your family altars? Let me tell you. Nambon Chukwu created the whole universe. Darkness filled the earth. And by fiat he created the light and said, let there be light. And there was light. Light came from the darkness. In this gross material you are seeing, and we got many spirits that dominated this earth, both in command and culture. And those spirits have lived millions of years in this gross material world. The spirits are there before their great-grandfathers was born. In fact, some of these family altars was established by your great-grandfathers. For reason best known to them, Makihi or the Maha. Makihi, Hana Gabiga, Tira Morgan. Only got one of family name with problem. Amo we got family name with problem. Now they live long. We got family idea work on Oba. Hana wobe imbreke. We got family he can Imana Mbwa no one then atom mad and then I bomber mad atom mad a slave trade. Of one family he were Obomando. The Moronye Sinanya family na Bura Agato. Na imagine that see how we baja. Yotaria? Oh, yeah, but I don't want to follow the gabo. Obroni name kidnap. ịnwa kidnap ha unu enwe problem ga-esiri n'elu si na bịa nwudo unu. Nwere ike ọ bụrụ ụbọchị agha ka ndị polisi ma ọ bụ ndị security details ga-abịa bịa comb the forest because of that single person unu kidnap. Enwere ndị ihe ike adị eme o si n'ọgbụgba ndụ dị na family. Ịfụrụ nwatakịrị ebutere eji kidnap mgbe aka ewere chụọ aja that expose ritual gangs n'Enugu steeti ịdọtara ya. O nwere family isi ha ejiri ha awa aja ife ike adị eme ha. Ihe a so n'ọgbụgba ndụ ndị nna nna gị ha gudolo mgbe a na-install that family altar. Intention ha ji wee wudo that family altar bụ for well-being, for protection. Their intention was very noble. Maka ọ dị mma. Gị nwa na onwe gị amụtara ọfụ kịta. Gị nwa na onwe gị na-eme pastor. Ị mụrụ na mmụọ dị be nna gị na-propel that your gift. Ị mụrụ na o nwere ọgba ndụ dị na bụ na o nwere ike ọ bụrụ na unu bụ ndị na-agwọ ọya. Unu ji mgbọrọgwụ na mkpa ahịa na-agwọ ọya. Unu ji ike okwu ọnụ na-agwọ ọya. Maka ihe na ndị nna nna ha wuwelu altar. Healing altar. That spirit anọ behind the healing altar bụ ihe na-enyere gị aka. Iwu medical doctor na-agara ewere pastor na-ekwubi okwu a na-enwe healing. Iche na ọ n'ike aka gị. Ihe nna-achọ ịkọwara gị n'ọmmụọ dị be nna gị. Ọtụtụ n'ime unu na-eje destroy altar which you don't know the origin. Altar that has seniored you far. Even those spirits that is there behind the altar has been there ancient time. They seniored you. They knew everything concerning you, your existence, your family background. In fact, before you were born, those parents of yesteryears were urging this altar. You are your kamogi. So the spirit is part of parcel of your existence as in you are coming on earth. So there's no way you can succeed without them because all could add a Konya Korea. And when you came with our party in a bednight, and now you come out and Nagimo will neg were all you agent aqua where you come out again. Aqua the way Tiaka, where you was supernatural forces. Then after my incarnation. And we're more than our family. A bezier, and I was a day Kaga Quadi where Marie, they Kaga Kadi when we need to go born again. A modern Aka Quadi so no more Nayabizuno. But she won't equal that altar, Quadi altar. But say I cannot go to your bring your downfall. Because Okurara Koya Karia, Korea. Onye jiri aka ya Ogbuefi nye onwe aka ya korinene. For you to succeed, the hand of your family altar was edenia. Maka ịmara ọgba ndụ edebel. So I can tell you na all the family altars name it ebe adọrọ ana ngwu, ebe ewuru obi ndị ichie, ebe enwere ogwugwu, ma ọ bụ ebe nwere akwari, and so on and so forth. Those family altars within the family. Believe in me, edebere maka ọdịmma ya bụ ezinụlọ. Gị nwa na-achọ ka imebie ijuru ese mara ihe ya bụ altar na-alụ. Ijuru ese mara ihe na-eme na ya bụ family eji wee hiwe ya bụ altar. Ịma ọ na ọbụ na family de altar ewubere maka akụnụba, multiplication like akwari. Unu mebighị anya ihe a na-eme mgbe gboo ogbenye mgbereke, ihe a na-eme ndị nna nna gị ha wee jebe ije wee jụba ese esi ya wee reveal ihe a ga-eme ka e wee end that particular ogbenye mgbereke. Unu ga-echi back to it. Ndị niile si na ha ga-emebie their family altars ha fa ọtụtụ n'ime ha na-akwa arịrị ya taa emezi uwe ego. Never you for your well-being, never you destroy family altar. Don't start what you cannot finish. Those spirits not behind those altar, age-wise, they are better than you. Wisdom-wise, they are better than you. They knew you in and out. You can never win the war. Remember Jesus was also to make them stronger. So instead of you to come and recognize those altars and make those altars stronger, you came to destroy. And Eze Obuna Megidere and Eze cannot stand it, because that altar is part of the family and Eze. Once you destroy it, even the altar, once the altar is going down, the whole family is going down. So Obodo Naga be going here to church and WhatsApp can you Naga to get where restore what people have spoiled. I mean, I own for my own family. Maybe the hand I restore them, and the restore what's restored, what we lost. Ntiodi. Can we say by you had to join Ancusia? When we talk about our family, WhatsApp number on the screen 0805 7837 672. Let us pray. Ekwem na Chineke. Ekwem na odi ihe siri mike ke Chineke na-apụghị. Izi mo zonge silu ya n'ihi na ọ mazuru ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke emeworo m ya gazie. May the blessings of Chukwu Okike pụrụ ime ihe be with you all. May you be protected, may you be blessed now and forevermore. Ya gazie udo dịrị.